In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a talk track in Miro. To get started, open your Miro board in Chrome. Using Chrome is important here because it helps ensure the recording features work smoothly and gives you the best overall experience while capturing your screen and camera. Once your board is open, take a moment to make sure everything you want to present is ready and visible. This is especially helpful if you're planning to guide viewers through a process or walk them through specific content on the board. Next, look to the top right toolbar and click the talk track icon, which looks like a video camera. This is the tool you'll use to create a recorded walkthrough directly inside Miro. When you open it, you're accessing a feature designed to make your board more interactive and easier for others to understand, especially if they'll be viewing it later on their own time. From there, select Start Recording. This begins recording your screen and camera while you navigate through the board. As you record, move through your content clearly and at a steady pace so your viewers can follow along without getting lost. It's a good idea to speak naturally and keep your board organized as you present. If you're zooming in on certain sections or switching between areas, try to do that smoothly so the final recording feels polished and easy to watch. When you've finished your walkthrough, click Stop. Once you stop the recording, Miro will embed the interactive video player directly on the board. That means your recording becomes part of the board itself, making it easy for teammates, clients, or collaborators to watch your explanation without needing a separate link or external video tool. This can be especially useful for asynchronous updates, project explanations, or onboarding materials. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a talk track in Miro. It's a simple way to add context to your board and make your communication more personal and effective. Before sharing the board, it can be helpful to quickly review the embedded player to make sure your recording looks and sounds the way you intended. Once everything looks good, your board is ready for others to explore along with your recorded guidance.